Hello everybody. If you aren't a whale and you have read my channel description, it says I play a lot of Minecraft but also other games. So today's episode we're gonna be playing. Let's reveal it for the people who want to know. Probably seen this before, the best firework game ever. Firework Mania. In my personal experience, this game is probably one of the highest games you could get for fireworks that look realistic, that you can light yourself, that you're not like far away from you, just looking. No, you can actually do stuff. It's really good. And it has a lot of good mods because it's mod supported. And today's video, we're going to be lighting some fireworks. I think to start off, we might do a modded cake real quick to show you how good mods are in this game. Let's actually do... I think this will be enough. Now, let's, by the way, if you want to know how to switch, if you have this game, like, to switch to, like, these things, scroll wheel. I have just attached them all with Instalighter, so, let's see. Not that bad. Oh my god. Alright, now, what happens if we do this? Wait, can we just like... No. I meant to take that. Cannon! Oh, what a disclaimer. Let's take a Russian roulette kind of thing. Fire! Blam! That's cool. That's really sick. A red maroon. This thing looks insane. It wouldn't be Firework Mania if we wouldn't just put it at a weird location, you know? I really like to, I like to just launch fireworks in the air in this game, but let's be honest. Everybody's here to see the juicy stuff. By the way, this mod has different bombs, like this giant one. This one, the normal biggest bomb you could get is this one. And that is quite a big of a bomb, you know? Then you look at this one, and your entire mindset changes. It's not that much smoke as normal for some reason. Doesn't really matter because, we're not gonna do stupid art. With not stupid, I maybe meant a little different. We had some loud crackers. Let's add some of these. This might be very dangerous. Oh, you flipped? No. Can you... Yes. Alright. So... Oh, what? They're going through the wall? Makes sense. Especially if you can just do this. Oh, shit! I'm sorry, neighbor. Oh my god, I might have just been the neighbor. Hold up, I got an idea. Alright, so my idea was, what if we just make something very, very nice? Holy shit. Oh my god. Whoa, what was that? Would you look at that? Jesus Christ, my guy. Let's hear some fireworks from the game itself, because the game itself has good fireworks too. The mods are just sometimes funny, because some of them are bigger and different compared to the game's models. Like some of them, like, I'm talking about like these things, hold up, these sideways ones, they don't have that in here. I mean, they do kind of these, but they're different. Alright, let's see, right? What if we just take some of these, just like 4 of each, and then we take 4 2021s, right? And then we take 4 of these. What will happen to the game if we light this up? My question is, can the server hold this up? Because I'm already having lag because of my recorder I'm using. Because, I mean, every single recorder always takes some FPS off your game. But what's going to happen if we pull one of these off? You know what I'm talking about? I'm talking about main streak killing machines here. Destroying some Chinese walls. Destroying some of these. Let's just throw them on the ground because fuck it, it's going to look good. Alright, well, now let's do some of these, some of these, some of everything. Might crash my game, who cares? Right, so now what if we, like, just take the lighter. Actually, before we take the lighter, let's attach some of these with it. Alright, now, if you take the lighter and we have to speedrun this, right? Holy shit! Oh my god! You ain't gonna tell me that was one of the sickest things I've ever seen in firework. Damn, but what if... This is tank station, right? Sheesh, I stuttered on my words. What if we just throw some of these in, and you know what I'm saying? Like, we take these, we take one of those, and we just do something like that, and then we like spread some of these around here, and then. What if we now take the lighter and just, like, let's say we light this thing. That one didn't light, did it? Oh, but yes, it did. Wait, what? Activate the other ones. Oh, shit! Oh! Call Jesus and... Alright, what if we do this, basically, right? What if we just take one of these sickest ones ever and just stack them? Holy shit! Holy flippin' macaroni. Well, what if we just end it with a cute little Tim, you know what I'm saying? Like, we go to here, we go to special, we go to Tim's, and what if, right? I do this, right? Alright, so one Tim, right? Let me show you what it looks like. This is one Tim. Yes, I know. So what if... Alright, check me out, right? Now, let me just... all the way over there. Because we're not gonna do this while we're standing literally next to it. That's just killing yourself. Now, what we're gonna do is attach this with an instant lighter, because that's gonna be looking. Oh my god. How to crash a game, bro. Like, geesh. Alright, this is gonna be sick. This is gonna be sick. Oh, we missed those. We missed those. Let's go back around here. There's gonna be one hella explosion. Bro, you saw what one Tim did, right? What if we just double that amount by like 100 maybe? 100 days of my... Maybe 100 like Tims, you know what I'm saying? That's gonna be ginormous, right? If you think about it. Let's get it. Holy shit! What the fuck? What the fuck, man? Jesus fuck! Oh no! Ain't no way. Ain't no way we just did this. Oh my. I think this is what hell looks like on Tactical Nuke, bro. Jesus Christ. Speaking of nukes, we have a nuke rocket, but that's nothing compared to this. Yo, this looks like hell, like a hell/nuke. Bro, one of those cannons down there that didn't go off is still going off. Did we just light the entire city on fire and every single like wood that there was? We started the woods fire and we also light the city on fire. You know what? To end this video, let's salute it with a tactical nuke. Kinda. Let's salute the video with some nukes, and you know, let's do for the meme some of these beautiful cats. They look funny. They are not funny, by the way. They are quite big, actually. There with the cats and the nukes. Oh shit! Well, guys, thank you for watching this video. I had a lot of fun like recording this, because I mean this game is very funny. It's only $10. I would recommend purchasing it because it's like, it's good. It's on Steam. Just type in Firework Mania. You know, just like you know, like your mom is like